Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Daily Photography. I got this from YouTube dashboard a couple of days ago. So YouTube suggests me to have a look, and I had a look on YouTube search, and then I found some videos talking about daily photography. So it means as a photographer, especially me as a beginner photographer, practicing photography daily, it can improve our skill in photography. I think it's interesting for me, so it means building a lifestyle. It means if I want to be a photographer, so photography must be part of my life. Actually, I got it from a senior photographer in my city. He didn't say daily photography, but he said daily shooter. So it means if I photograph everything every day, it means I am a daily shooter. Yeah, that's it's just the same. And now I'm in the park. This one of beautiful city park. I'm in a beautiful city. I've come here for many times actually, but every time I come here, I always find something interesting to photograph. I see a dragonfly and a lizard. It's a green lizard down there. Okay, let's go down there. Okay, it's like a lake that's my city, Sragen. Okay, come on, we get down there. The grinding lizard. It's a tiny lizard over there. Okay, it's going to run over there. Spider over there. Okay, let's slowly get down. Okay. So the lizard is still there. I try to catch the eyes with my camera. Okay. It's a bit hard. Okay, I got one photo. I try to get closer. I get its eyes. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.